Did you know Microsoft Project could automatically skip public holidays without needing you to manipulate the durations or dates? Here's how. At the top, click on Project tab, click on Change Working Time. At the bottom section, start inserting the name of the public holiday, selecting the appropriate start and finish date. I'll now quickly put in the remaining public holidays. Once you are done, just click on OK. As you can see, my project schedule dates have shifted automatically. That is all for now, and I'll see you in the next video.